Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted sweet potatoes. So normally I do desserts on my channel, but since Thanksgiving's coming up, I thought that this would be super handy to do. So easy, fail safe, it tastes amazing. So let's get started. Before we get into it, I want to let you guys know that I have merch now. I've spent so long working on it, and it is a thing that I'll keep adding to. And I'm so excited for you guys to see the stuff. So it is linked down in the description box below, as well as on the little Teespring shelf if you have that capability. So yeah, definitely go check it out. But yeah, let's get started. So first you want to wash the sweet potatoes and then slice them into slices lengthwise. Then lay those slices flat onto your cutting board and slice them into sticks. Then just line up the slices and slice them into cubes. So I cut mine into 1 centimeter cubes just because that's the way I like them. But if you want to make them larger, you absolutely can. Then pour the sweet potatoes into a baking dish and drizzle some olive oil on top. And also add some salt and pepper. And so the quantities aren't entirely specific. If you hear that crunching, Paddington is having his lunch. I'm using 3 sweet potatoes, so I use about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, but you can add more or less depending on what you like. It just makes it nice and crispy. And then just stir everything together so that they're evenly coated in the olive oil. And then you want to roast them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now that is the length of time that I use for the size of sweet potatoes I'm using, but if you want them to be larger chunks, maybe add a couple more minutes and just check on them and see if they're at the stage that you like. But yeah, you are done. So this is the perfect dish for like a side dish for Thanksgiving or even like a weekday meal because it's so easy to whip up. And oh my god, I love roasted sweet potatoes so much. It's one of my favorite things because it's so delicious. They're so flavorful, and when you roast them, they get a little bit caramelized. I'm like, oh my god, they're so good. Also, actually, I made a miso roasted chicken, and I put it on top of sweet potatoes, so all the juices, like the saltiness and deliciousness of the miso paste that I rubbed underneath the skin of the chicken, like drizzled down through roasting onto the sweet potatoes, and it is like the most delicious thing in the world. I swear to god. So I'll link it in the cards. It's like it's one of my first videos I made, so if you want to see what like my channel looked like years ago, really embarrassing, I'll link it in the cards and you can watch it and you can see like the huge difference. But anyways, yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next week for a new video.